Hello children, let us continue with animal kingdom. So we have discussed non-chordates phyla and then primitive coprotochordates and chordata. In the chordata we have discussed superclass Pisces, Chondrichthyes and Osteichthyes. There are two types of fishes. Then we were also discussing in Tetrapoda superclass, in which we have discussed two classes, amphibia and reptilia. So we are left with aves and mammalia. So tetrapoda last time हमने किया था. Let us hurriedly we can recapitulate. Two pairs of limbs or appendages is, and some animals, some exceptions are there. Snakes are limbless. Four classes are there. Class amphibia, they can live on land as well as water. Poikilothermus or cold-blooded animals. Body divided into head, trunk and tail. Tail may be absent sometimes. Two pairs of limbs and tympanic membrane represents the ear. So these are the examples of amphibia, frog, salamander. Then a circulatory system closed type, heart is three-chambered. So in the Pisces we have discussed two-chambered heart. Abscess biconvex, nucleated. It respiration, all types of respiration, through skin, through lungs, through buccal cavity, and gills also during the larval stages. Nervous system that is well developed, sexes separate, oviparous, fertilization external, development indirect. So this we have discussed last time. So what is this metamorphosis? When this development is through a larval stage. Here you see larval stage, egg के बाद सीधा frog नहीं निकलता, बीच में एक larval stage आती है. So such a development is known as indirect, and the process by which it changes to the adult, that is known as metamorphosis. ठीक है. So tadpole कैसा होता? Fish like, it has a tail, gills, है ना. और ये जो है this three-chambered heart, so there is mixing of blood in the ventricle part. Reptilia, this also we have discussed, crawling animals, cobra, crocodile, turtle. First terrestrial vertebrates, most of them they are carnivorous. Locomotion is by limbs, but snakes they are limbless. Poikilothermus again cold-blooded, but the skin जो amphibia में moist थी, here it is dry because they are the terrestrial animals, and it is also covered with the scales, scutes or plates. So see यहाँ पे hard scutes and plates in the crocodile. Then and heart is three-chambered, but there is incomplete partition of ventricles, so beginning of four-chambered heart, but crocodile has perfectly four-chambered heart. Eardrum is depressed, respiration through the lungs, brain well developed, and sexes they are separate. So that we have discussed. So these are some of the examples, and here you see this complete four-chambered heart. And then we come to the aves. So aves and mammalia, we are left with the aves and mammalia. Aves include the birds, so it includes flying birds as well as flightless birds. So कुछ aves की जो characteristics है, some of these are modified it for flight adaptations, modified flight adaptation. So some characters they are modified for flight. So four limbs they are modified into wings. तो यहाँ पे दो ही टांगे नजर आती हैं आपको, which are used for walking, running. जो आगे वाली दो limbs है, they are modified into wings. Aquatic birds they have webs between the toes, body differentiated into head, neck, trunk and tail, and first time they are warm-blooded, means their body temperature remains constant irrespective of changes in the external environment. Exoskeleton is made of feathers, so feathers present, webs है इक्वेटिक उसमें बर्ड्स में, ये देखो वेब्ड feet that help in the swimming also. So this is the body of the birds where you see only hind limbs are there, forelimbs they are modified into the wings, the body divided into head, tongue, and this is the tail. Feathers are present on the body. Then beak is there, jaws they are modified into beaks. Teeth are absent. Scales are present on the hind limbs. Skin thin, dry and non-glandular. वैसे भी जो भी टेरेस्ट्रियल एनिमल्स है तो हम देखते हैं कि ड्राई थिन स्किन शुरू हो जाती है. बोन्स दे आर hollow, so this is again a special characteristic, hollow or pneumatic bones which make the body light, and this is useful for the flight. तो jaws जो है upper jaw और lower jaw, they are from the beaks, and teeth are absent again to reduce the weight of the body. Special organs, crop and gizzards are present in the alimentary canal. तो alimentary canal के जो usual parts होते हैं उसके अलावा ये दो special part है, crop and gizzard. Blood is red due to RBCs biconvex nucleated. हम सभी में पढ़ रहे हैं nucleated है ना. Heart is 4-chambered and double circulation is there. तो 10th में भी आपने किया. Double circulation is present in birds and mammals. Respiration by lungs, and lungs are also associated with specific air sacs for increasing the efficiency of respiration, क्योंकि ज़्यादा एनर्जी चाहिए होती है especially during the flight, and they have to maintain the buoyancy also. So light bones, ये देखो light bones, large air packets present in the bones. Then दो अलग chambers हैं, gizzard and crop, है ना. यूजली जैसे स्टमक इंटेस्टाइन बाकियों में भी होती है, यहाँ पे crop एक एडिशनल chamber and gizzard इन द बर्ड्स. और यहाँ पे लंग, ये भी एक अलग से अडेप्टेशन. लंग्स तो है ही हैं जो कि जैसे सब में ही होते हैं टेरेस्ट्रियल में, बट दे आर एसोसिएटेड with these sacs, air sacs, and these provide increases additional efficiency of respiration. Brain is a large and well developed cerebellum. You know cerebellum का जो function होता है आपने 10th में किया था, that is to maintain equilibrium of the body, and they have to maintain equilibrium during the flight. तो cerebellum part जो होता है इनका well developed होता है birds का. Optic lobes they are also well developed. Olfactory lobes they are poorly developed. Smell की ज़्यादा नहीं होती, but optic eyes भी बहुत ज़्यादा well developed होती हैं. Then unisexual, sexual dimorphism is there. We can distinguish male and female externally, egg laying, and they build nests. Herbivores and some are carnivores. Omnivores ये होते हैं, हम देखते हैं कि सब कुछ खाते हैं, कीड़े मकोड़े, बीज, है ना, फ्रूट, सब कुछ खाते हैं. Parental care is present in these. Mammalia के main characteristics, mammary glands are present for the nourishment of young ones. So presence of mammary gland. All types of habitat, terrestrial, aquatic, aerial, arboreal, हर्बीवोर, कार्निवोर, ओमनिवोर, सब तरह के होते हैं. लोकोमोशन बाय लिंग. लेकिन मेन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक क्या है? पहला, प्रेजेंस ऑफ मैमरी ग्लैंड. सेकेंड, प्रेजेंस ऑफ एक्सटर्नल हेयर ऑन द बॉडी. तो एक्सोस्केलेटन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्किन, हेयर, फर, नेल्स, हूव्स, ये प्रेजेंट है. वार्म ब्लडेड ऑफ कोर्स बर्ड्स भी हैं, है ना. तो यूनिक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स इसके, ए मैमरी ग्लैंड, एक्सटर्नल हेयर and exoskeleton in the form of hair and external ear that is also present only in the mammals. Skin is glandular. अब यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी moist होती है. Sweat gland and sebaceous gland are present. Body is divided into two part, body cavity, thoracic cavity and abdominal cavity. Thoracic cavity ऊपर वाले जिसमें lungs और heart. Abdominal cavity जिसमें stomach, intestine, liver सारे parts होते हैं. Then external ear presence, teeth present, and that are heterodont, ICM-PM, means incisor, canines, premolars and molars present. Heart 4-chambered, double circulation, वो birds में ही शुरू हो गया. Then RBCs they are without nucleus except camel. तो ये भी एक अलग करेक्टर है, विदाउट न्यूक्लियस RBCs. तो न्यूक्लियस एब्सेंट होता है जस्ट टू इंक्रीज द स्पेस टू एकोमोडेट मोर ऑक्सीजन. रेड इन कलर ब्लड, रेस्पिरेशन बाय द लंग्स. सो दिस इज द सिक स्किन. ये हम ज़्यादा डिटेल में नहीं जाएंगे. ये दो पार्ट, थोरेसिक कैविटी, नीचे वाली एब्डोमिनल कैविटी. टीथ अलग अलग तरह के, इंसीजर, कैनिन्स, प्रीमोलर, molar are there. Completely four chambered heart, complete separation of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Highly developed brain, cerebellum, it shows a transverse main corpus callosum. तो cerebellum जो well developed, so they are intelligent, है ना. They are viviparous, but a few exceptions are there. Egg laying mammal जो हैं, duck billed platypus, वो egg laying mammals हैं. और कुछ mammals they have special pouches for the development of young ones. Marsupials हम उनको कहते हैं kangaroo, and most mammals they have placenta for the nourishment of the embryo. So see, this is a well developed brain, pouch present in the kangaroo. And so this completes your class Mammalia. Thank you.